most of us already know about the sexual meanings, right? So I did not need to elaborate much about that, and most of us already have our first sexual experience, such as menstruation for women and wet dream for boys. Who the person you will talk about it? Is it your parents, your siblings, or your friends? And most will answer friends. Why is not parents? Because some parents would neglect to answer this question from their child. But kalau ada yang nak ngajar tu, untunglah. The term of or the words when you know is usually used by adult to young adolescent. When you know ataupun nak simplifikan, bila awak tahu, ataupun bila sampai masanya awak tahu. And this will leave a mixed message for young adolescent and will confuse them. And this absence of information is not an education. Solely by telling someone not to do something is unrealistic and is also harmful to public health. And with this absence of information, students and young adolescents are turning into what are readily to them, such as sensual pornography material, pornography itself, books, film, magazine. And the easiest way is internet. Is where they can click and access to what in their mind, apa yang bermain di fikiran mereka. And it's further away from reality. It's a fantasy, not a reality. But with this sex education, it's help us to educate the young adolescent over there. With this education, it helps to improve their knowledge and better understanding on sex, and it's also improve or promote self-awareness about the infection, about the disease, and about the problem that could happen after we having sex, such as STI, which is sexually transmitted infection, pregnancy rates among teens, and baby dumping. So with this sex education, it could minimize and reduce the probability of getting to this problem or disease. Nak senang, saya kaitkan, saya samakan dengan drug ataupun rokok. Kenapa public health nak sangat educate people on the negative of drugs or the implication of taking drugs or cigarette, while it's same with the sex education. And why is, kenapa tak ada orang pun yang ajar pasal seks ni? Because if we know how to educate them properly, it will help our young adolescent to have better, reasonable and educated decision making for themselves. And after they already learn it, I think dia takkan buat eksperimen dengan body diorang, sebab dia dah tahu keburukan yang akan berlaku selepas diorang buat something. And with this information or knowledge, it could help others adolescent out there who are confused about their self. And I think it is important to learn sex education because it is related to our body, not others body or not other things. Kenapa nak bazirkan masa kat benda yang tak ada kaitan ataupun benda yang luar daripada kawalan kita? And kenapa kita tak nak belajar apa yang penting dan related to our own body, which is our autonomy. And okay, that's all from me. Thank you.